Hey everyone, this is Ritesh and today is a big day because we just hit 20,000 subscribers. This is all because of your love and support. Seriously, it means us everything. Let's continue growing, learning and building awesome stuffs together, okay? And aim for 50,000 subscribers. Now let's get into today's video. So I have researched 3 AI tools which are game changer for you, which helps you to create interactive websites in a very short time, okay? You don't have to code too much and everything. By the way, I am going to give you another a bonus website tool rather than 3 tools, okay? So be with us. So the first one is locofy.ai. If you have ever designed something in Figma and thoughts, man, I wish I could just turn in this into code. Locofy.ai does exactly that. It took your Figma design and literally converted them into React, HTML or even Next.js code. And the best part, the code quality is actually developer friendly, clean, modular and ready to scale. You just plug in your Figma file, map out the component and boom, ready to deploy code. This can save hours of front-end work. Now let's move back to the second one, that is cursor.so. And I already know that you have already watched similar videos of Cursor AI, Cursor AI. So yeah, that's the same Cursor AI. I just add this because yeah, it's a very better tool used to just autocomplete and understand what you are building, need to reflect a function, debug a tricky layout. So Cursor can suggest improvement, optimize your code and even generate full component of view with context. So if you are still writing code manually in VS Code, you can try this out, okay? So now it's time to show you the bonus tool, that is wizard.ai. It is the fastest way and to go from idea to design to prototype using AI. So how you can do that? You can just sketch on paper, take a photo and then just upload it on the wizard, and what it does, it will generate a fully interactive UI from it, perfect for quick client mock and internal tool prototype. Plus it lets you collaborate with your team live just like Figma, but with AI doing most of the heavy lifting, okay? So yeah, after that let's come to the final one, that is tool number third, that is Codium. Codium is a AI code assistant like Copilot, but it's completely free and it supports multiple languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React. It can generate boilerplate code, autocomplete intelligently, and even write code based on your comments. If you have tired of writing relative code, Codium will save you much more time. And did I mention it's free? Okay, so yeah, you can just go and use it. So those were the top 3 AI tools plus one bonus tool as well that every front-end developer should definitely check out. These tools aren't just fun, they are practical, time-saving and generally useful for real-world development. If you enjoyed this video and want more tutorial, tool breakdown and hand-on build or AI, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. If you want any video on regarding the tool, I will create that, okay? Just comment below. We are just getting started on this new journey, and now that we are face to face, it is going to be epic. This is Ritesh signing off for now, but I will see you in the next one. Stay creative, keep building, happy coding.